Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back again to the Ballentine family. Today is a Saturday. It's Ate J's birthday. And as usual, we're gonna be cooking a lumpia for Ate J. And this lumpia is gonna be different because we're gonna be using a what do you call this one? A ground beef instead of ground pork. So these are the ingredients of our lumpia. It's already been mixed. And then the one you can see right now is the mixture or the ingredients of the PAKLAY. PAKLAY is food came from Bisaya. So this is a Cebuano version or Bisaya version. And these are the ingredients. We have chayote, carrots, red bell pepper, luya or ginger, garlic, and onion. It's a red onions. We're using red onions kasi it's more marami siyang ano yung aroma. Yun, yung aroma niya. And the main ingredients of our PAKLAY is this one. So, as you can see, these are the internal organs of the pork. So I'm not really sure what these are, but all I know is some fats in their skin and intestine and ano pa yung iba dyan. And the blood is not done yet. It's been cooked pa, and we will cut that later in a few minutes. Yeah, it's a blood. Pero we added skin in there to make it more different, you know. They usually not do that. They usually use a what they call this one, the internal organs. But this internal organs has been cleaned and boiled. So this is soft na siya. Kahit ganunin mo siya o na ano na siya. So soft na yan. So gigisahin natin yan. It's kind of papaitan in Tagalog. Pero yung papaitan, it's more on beef, di ba? Beef part or goat, no? Tapos ano siya, it's more on dice cut. This one, it's more on julienne cut. This kind of strip cut like this cut yung ating internal organs. So I know most of you are new of this cooking menu, so I hope you guys will enjoy this one later. I'm gonna show you how we cook this PAKLAY. So alright guys, we have a little problem here. We cannot add the blood because it doesn't stick. So yung blood nila sa palengke, there's a mixture of water that's supposed to be pure para makat natin siya ng julienne. But this one is, look at that, we boil this one with wrap with the plastic, and then it's still watery. Ayan, no? So ang gusto namin na ma-come up ni mama is yung it will become solid, you know. We use that in Bisaya, but here I think they thought we're gonna be making dinuguan, kaya meron silang mixture na tubig. There's a mixture of water, guys, so that's why it doesn't become solid. Oh, I heard some noise in here. The kids are swimming. There's a big tub. Hey, Chica, say hi to the vlog, baby. Say hi. Hi, Chloe. Say hi. Hey, Chica, say hi. Ah, she said she got new swimming outfit. Wow, that's cute. Okay, you guys stay cool. Okay? So here my brother is packing all the vegetables so we can put that in the ref so it doesn't get wilted. It's better we wrap that one with a cling wrap. So our cling wrap, guys, we purchased this one. It's SNR, and we do love a lot of stuff of cling wrap because that is very useful for everything, not only for the food but for some stuff. So if you're interested to purchase this kind of cling wrap, you can go to SNR. Let's see. That's the looks. So we started cooking the PAKLAY now, guys. So our chef is my brother Don right now. Uy, hi chef muna. Hello. Hi viewers. He put first the ginger. Sayang wala siyang ano guys, blood. Ganda yung may blood. Pero mama says that we can put the blood just to a little color for the paklay. But it's gonna be mush, not solid anymore. But it's okay. At least there's a little color, but not all of that blood we're gonna put. Just only few of it. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Vinegar. Yeah. Chayote and carrots. And then mix and then cover. Alright guys, my brother added the blood. So we strain it, the water, para maging ganyan siya. I guess mix it kasi wala naman tayong solid na blood, so we just use like that. So instead of throwing it, so we have a black mixture there. Ayan. So this is almost done guys, and the last ingredients that we're gonna put is the pork and beans, and then it's gonna be finished after that. Wow, that's the paklay. Now we're gonna put the last ingredients, the pork and beans. Wow, looks yummy. Yahoo! So that will balance the ano guys, the taste, because a little bit, just only a little bit of sweet, but not that much. Paklay. Welcome to Bataan Paklay. It's the first time we cook this one guys. We've been craving this kind of food, but mama is not here and Don, so that's why we don't know how to cook it, and now they're here, so I grabbed the opportunity to cook this one. And then the siling haba for the garnish. You can also garnish guys yung onion leeks. Then we don't have, so that's why I just put the chili, siling haba. Meron siyang konting spiciness, but meron siyang ginger, so alright, that's all done. Ayan na guys ang ating finished product. Yan yung ating paklay. So we put a little garnish so it will looks good. And so this is a new menu for us and for you all watching there. So if you have questions, suggestions, you can comment down below. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy our video. Until our next cooking show. Bye everybody. See you in my next one.